let's look at some rules which are used for applying pronouns. Number one, the pronoun it is used for things without life, for animals, for a baby जिसका जेंडर शायद नहीं पता या अभी बेबी बहुत छोटा है जिसका जेंडर अभी हम नहीं स्पेसिफाई करना चाहते, और एज अ टेम्पररी सब्जेक्ट, यानी जब हमने कोई ऐसी बात बोलनी हो जिसका एक पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट ना हो, सो एक टेम्पररी सब्जेक्ट के लिए हम इट यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू एक्सप्लेन, यानी ये बात बहुत डिफिकल्ट है एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए, सो ये बात की जगह हमने लगा दिया इट. नेक्स्ट, सो इफ अ कलेक्टिव नाउन इज यूज्ड एज अ सिंगुलर यूनिट, यानी जब हम बोले द ज्यूरी गेव इट्स वर्डिक्ट, so jury is used as a single unit, and it is a collective noun. There are certain jury members which constitute a jury. If a collective noun is used as a single unit, then the pronoun that we will use for it will be singular. And if the collective noun is used as a plural unit, यानी अगर हमने बोला the jury members gave their verdict, यहाँ पर pronoun जो use होगा वो plural use होगा. Next, so if two nouns are joined by an and, the pronoun which refers to them will be of plural form. यानी अगर मैं बोलूं Ram and Sham are friends, they are going to the market. So यहाँ पर मैंने they use किया Ram and Sham के लिए, दोनों को denote करे. Next, each and every, if a singular noun is preceded by each and every, and then it is joined by another singular noun preceded by each or every with an and, then we will use the pronoun in singular form for the noun. For example, each soldier and each sailor was in his place, यानी हर एक सोल्जर और हर एक सेलर अपनी जगह पे था, यहां थे नहीं, था. Next, if a noun is singular and it is joined by another noun which is also singular by or either or neither nor, then the pronoun that we will use will also be singular. For example, Ram or Hari must lend his hand. Ram is a noun joined by Hari by or must lend his hand. His is singular form of personal pronoun. Either Reena or Amina forgot to take her bag, यानी या तो रीना या अमीना दोनों में से कोई एक person has forgotten to take her bag, उसका bag. Now here we have to see that the nouns are specifying to only one gender. Same gender को specify करें nouns, तभी हम pronoun singular use करेंगे. Next, if a noun in plural is joined by another noun in singular by or nor, then we will use pronoun in plural. For example, either the manager or his assistants failed in their duty. यहाँ पर या तो मैनेजर या उसके असिस्टेंट्स अपनी ड्यूटी करने में फेल हुए. in their duty, there is the plural form of third person pronoun in objective case. Now the seventh rule is really important and a lot of students actually get confused in this. Now here, this is the chronology of pronouns. How to use these pronouns. I am talking about the second, first and third person. How to use the chronology. यानी सही तरीका क्या है pronouns को लगाने का. In a conversation, we have to put in the second person first, then the third person comes in, and then the first person comes in. For example, say if I am sitting with a second person and I'm talking to them, I would say you and I. I would first put the second person before me. You and I. I'm talking about the second person and the third person. I would put in the second person first and then the third person. You and he. And if I'm talking about a third person and the first person, then the third person will come in before the first person. He and I. And similarly, in objective case also, I would put in you and me, the second person before the first person. You and him, the second person before the third person. So in a conversation, the second person always come before the third person, and then the first person comes at the last. So we hope this session has been fruitful for all of you. I had a great time explaining pronouns to all of you, and we will meet in the next video starting with verbs and tenses. A very, very important session. Please do not miss it. And until then, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.